Hey divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be doing our weekly laundry routine. Now, we are a family of 5, and today we're going to be doing laundry for 5 because my nephew is spending some time with us, so I'm going to be doing his laundry also. My baby girl, the youngest, her laundry will not be included in this video because I wash her clothes during the week or throughout the week because she's much younger and I do not mix her clothes with ours, and I also do not wash it in the same machine as ours. So I went ahead and started by sorting out the laundry. Now this is how I usually sort my clothes. I'll wash my girls' clothes separate from mine, and I wash my clothes separate from my husband's clothes. And now that I have my nephew, his clothes will be washed separately. So I went in separate the whites, lights, and darks, and I went ahead and I separate my sheets also. So my sheets, I will separate the light ones from the dark ones. And this is me starting out on my first load, and this laundry took me 2 days. I was trying to get everything done in 1 day, but most of the time my laundry will run over into Sunday because I love to wash on a Saturday. If I don't have the time on a Saturday, I'll try to cram everything in on a Sunday. So I went ahead, did my laundry, and for me, my laundry is not complicated. I do not do too much. I just use some scent beads, laundry detergent, and some laundry sanitizer, and that's basically it. So this is me starting my laundry, and I did over 10 loads of laundry over the course of the 2 days. And because this is going to be so repetitive, I do not want to just stay here talking and talking. I'm just going to want you guys to just go ahead, sit back, relax, do some laundry, do some cleaning, get some motivation, because this is like a laundry motivation. So even if you don't feel like doing anything, just get up and try and do something, or just sit back, relax. And because I don't know how hard you guys have worked throughout the week, so if you want to relax on a Saturday, or if you want to have a relaxing day, you can go ahead and take it. Don't feel guilty because you did not do your laundry in time or whatever, because sometimes we really do get caught up, and we have to just take some time for ourselves, especially if you're moms. Trust me, because it can be overwhelming. So this is me doing the laundry, and as I said, it's going to be repetitive because all you're going to do is just wash, dry, fold, and repeat. So just go ahead, sit back, relax, and enjoy. And normally when I'm doing the laundry, I'm either doing something around the house during my downtime, like cooking, cleaning, but for this particular laundry, I decided that I was just gonna sit down, scroll on my phone, play with the girls. I was not gonna do anything else. So as soon as the machine stopped, I went ahead and got the clothes because I wanted to get it done in 1 day. But it still ran me to 2 days. But oh well, that's life. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. This is me at the end of day 1. Please come back for day 2 for the completion of the laundry. This is me on day 2, and I am ready to complete the laundry now because I left these in the dryer. They did not dry properly, so you know how that goes. I'm gonna have to go ahead and rewash them because they were smelling a little funky. So you know how that goes. That leaves me with an extra load. One other thing that I do too when I was doing this laundry, I had some red clothes. I went ahead and washed them separate from the colored clothes because you know red, they are unpredictable, so you can have them. Once they look too bright, I'm gonna wash them separate because I don't want them the color to get all over the other rest of the clothes. So I went ahead and washed the reds separate. whenever I'm doing my laundry, I like to go ahead and fold every single load that I take out the dryer, because trust me, that makes my work so much easier. Because whenever I'm done washing, the laundry room is gonna be clean, like it's gonna be empty, because I do not wash and then leave everything and fold it for last. I think that's too much. So this is it. Now that you've made it to the end of the video, please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this gives you some motivation to get up, do some work, or just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.